skin look and at the same time not wearing any makeup. So first, I'm starting with hydrating primer, and I already applied moisturizing cream, and since my skin is irritated lately, I applied Aveeno moisturizing eczema cream. To start, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury foundation in shade number 4, warm, and blending with foundation brush. So after that, we're going for highlighter shade number 12N, Fair Neutral from Tarte. And blending with a brush and then also blending with a sponge to let the foundation sit. Also did translucent powder to make everything dry. And then I'm filling my eyebrows with eyebrow pencil. So I usually use brown colored eyebrow pencil, and for the blush, I'm using the blush stick from Huda, and the color is Coral. So this is really easy to apply, and I forgot I bought the stick, and recently I just used it again and I'm so keen to use it more. Following with highlighter from Dior, the shade number is Rose Shimmer, and I'm applying applying a little bit glitter in front of my eyes. And also using the highlighter in front of my eyes to brighten my eyes more and make the eyes look bigger. So next, highlighting the high points of my face and under my eyebrows and chin and in upper eyebrows. So that's almost finished. And I'm using the Benefit tint to give color and finishing with Too Faced Plumping Lip Gloss. So this thing stings your lips and it's supposed to make the lips look bigger. And also putting a little bit mascara on my lower eyelashes. And that's the finished look. Please let me know what you think about it in comments, and recently I've been doing this look a lot, and thanks for watching my video. See you next video.